Hey there! Welcome to my mini vlog. For today's video, I will give you a quick tour inside the Lucky Lane. What is Lucky Lane? Lucky Lane is a charming variety store located at 9A Catherine Street, Limerick City. Launched in 2013 by two local musicians, it occupies a converted laneway, creating a vibrant, retro indoor market atmosphere filled with personality and nostalgia. What you can find inside? You can find the vintage and second-hand treasures. Expect a colorful mix of clothing, furniture, uncycled items, and handcrafted goods. Books, comics, and vinyl. An extensive selection spanning antiquarium, books, rare first edition, comics, and think of LOTR, Marvel, Star Wars, and vinyl records. Artistic and collector's items, handmade jewelry, unique prints, posters, and quirky knickknacks that you won't find anywhere else. The atmosphere vibe, it is magical and electric with cozy lighting, high ceilings, inviting music, including a public piano in the entryway. And tasteful decor, it has an enchanting charm. Community focus and artsy. Staff often hail from Limerick. Art and music, community and store supports local, and also creators and charities through collaboration. What's the visitor says? They says like it's like an Aladdin's cave with all kinds of knickknacks, vintage dresses, plants, original Star Wars toys, well worth a visit. And they have also the TripAdvisor review. It is says that a very cool and unique shop, things related to pop culture, magical and classy atmosphere, helpful and kind staff, Wanderlug summary on Reddit. It says like Lucky Lane random bits and bobs of curiosities, always find cheap and cheerful gifts for everyone there. And the Lucky Lane is also, they have practical info. The opening hours is typically open Tuesday to Saturday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Some listings note slight variation or Sunday hours. Its recommended visit time, allocate 30 to 45 minutes to fully explore the place. In summary, Lucky Lane is a delightful microcosm, vintage, creative, and retro culture, all housed within a hidden lane in Limerick City Center. It's the perfect spot to browse, discover curiosities, and stumble upon nostalgic gems. Whether you're in search of a unique gift, something offbeat to spark your imagination, or simply want to soak up a nostalgic vibe, Lucky Lane delivers. So, if you guys want to plan to go walk in the city, don't forget to visit Lucky Lane. You can find a lot of pieces inside, classic and vintage.